What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng bahay nila Leonard. Ayun, bahay nila Leonard. Good morning!
Good morning. Leonard, pero naman ang gloves mo, baka meron ka pa.
Ali na, gumising, wala pang gloves.
O sige, lahat tayo tanggal ng gloves.
Leonard, baka meron ka dyan pera.
Ako may nalimutan din.
Isa lang yan.
Ano dito, nakalimutan mo?
Wala akong brief.
So guys, ito na yung aahunin namin. Suplang. Sayang hindi ko nadala yung speedometer ko. Dito lang gradient. 15%. Itong part na to siguro mga nasa 18 to. Yung isa. Opo. Mas matarik yung kaysa dito. Tita oh. One hand. Alright. Matarik yung una. Ito na, ahon. Pababa tayo ng mabato. Alright. Lusong time.
Ay, ang tututa.
Dito na kami ngayon sa may marker. Barangay Mabato, Calamba City. Nakikita ko na yung ahunin. Ayun oh. Ahon na tayo. So ito na yung pinaka-start. Alright. So dito sa part na to, medyo recovery ride. Recovery ride. Basta makapag-recovery na sa part na to. Balik ko na tayo. Sino kayang hingal sa dalawa? Yung naglalakad o yung nagbabike? Oh! Wala si tita, tingnan natin kung sagad yung gearing. Sagad si tita. Tito, kamusta? Last na, last na. Last na, last na. Basic. So guys, baba tayo dito sa may chapel. CCR ako. Tinatawag tayo ng kalikasan. Ganda ng view. Labot na. Opo. Success. Kaso naubusan na ng lakas. Ay. Malapit na. Pero may isa pa. All is well. Dito si Bepoy. Bulalolo-kolop. Part 2.
Samahan mo ako magtalog.
Sino?
Roma.
Yan. Pahinga na kami dito tapos bababa natin. Ingay. Tapos kakain sa Ariel's.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on.
Alright, kakatapos lang namin magmabato. Ito na kami ngayon ng Ariel's. Kakain na!
On and on. I'm driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me, on and on, I feel immersed. Whatever happened to me happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood. I'm moving on and on. On and on. I'm moving on and on.
Shout out! Tito Cons, Tita Connie.
Ito, Connie. Pagaling ka.
Ayan.
Sarap Sabado. Ride strong.
Dito Connie. Saro sa Bicol.
Mamam.
Ma'am.
Mamam daw.
Oh, my FBI file. Sweet is my location, sweet as well my destination. If you're looking to begin, then look no further than within. I'm satisfied with what I've got and still eager for more. The change that you've been looking for will come knock on your door. On and on. all